In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change checkout time on Booking.com. Let's walk through the process together so you know exactly where to click and what to expect as you make the change. We'll cover what the options mean, how pricing can be affected, and a few tips to avoid surprises. Start by going to Bookings and Trips. This is where all your upcoming and past stays are listed. On the website, you'll usually find it in the top menu. In the app, it appears on the bottom navigation bar. Opening this section puts all your reservations in one place so you can quickly find the stay you want to adjust. Next, open your reservation. Select the specific trip where you want to change the checkout details. Take a moment to confirm the dates, the property name, and the room or unit type so you're editing the correct booking. If you have multiple upcoming stays, glance at the check-in date to avoid mixing them up. Now, click Change Dates or Edit Booking. The exact wording can vary by property and device, but both lead you to the same editing area. If you don't see this option or it appears unavailable, it usually means the property's policy doesn't allow changes or the booking type is non-changeable. Otherwise, proceed to the editing screen. Here, select your new checkout date or time. You'll see a calendar to adjust the departure date. Keep in mind that changing the checkout date may alter the length of your stay and could affect the total price, availability, and any special rates. Some properties also offer a checkout time selector. If a time option appears, choose the time that works best for you. If you don't see a time field, that typically means the property manages checkout time separately and only the date can be changed here. Pay attention to minimum stay requirements, blackout dates, and local time zones so the change matches your travel plans. When you're satisfied, click Confirm Changes. Before finalizing, review the summary carefully, the new checkout date or time, updated nightly rate if applicable, taxes, fees, and any policy notes such as late checkout charges. Once you confirm, your booking will update. In many cases, changes are instant. Occasionally, they may require property approval. You'll see an on-screen confirmation and typically receive an email with the updated details. Keep that confirmation for your records and double-check that the dates and, when available, the time reflect exactly what you chose. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly adjust your checkout details in a way that's clear, accurate, and aligned with the property's policies.